Alright guys, so this is my key set right here. I got a Subaru lanyard, and this is my BRZ key. And I'm going to be painting the housing white, and then I'm also going to be showing you guys how to open this up and how to change the battery if you want to change it. Alright, so I took it out of my lanyard, and it's just a key, and then it actually has a little slot right here. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it has like a little niche right there, right here, and you can just like put your finger, or you could use like a coin or something. Actually, don't use your finger. If you have like another key, or you could use like a penny or something and then just put it in there and then just twist, and then you're gonna hear a little bit of pops, and there you go, it came off. And then it's gonna look like that, and then you can just take it off like that. Cool. And then this is your remote for your car. So pretty much like unlock, lock, trunk, and then emergency. And then you kind of just hold on to it like that. So these are individual little buttons, and then it has like a little plastic thing you could take off, and then like I said, little individual buttons that pop right off. And then there you go, you're left with this. And then to take this off, which the battery's right here, you're gonna have to it's gonna have little slots right here, and you can honestly just use your finger. Just be careful not to break it, but you could pretty much just use your fingers. Then you kind of just pop it out, and then right there is the battery. And then the original one's a Panasonic CR 2016 3V. So that's how the battery looks like, and then you just pop it off, and then you can replace it. Mine's brand new, and it's not brand new, but it still works, so I don't have to replace it. And then you pretty much just put it back into place, and you're good.